Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to week 21. This week, we will be exploring the Stations of the Cross. Now, if we were in class, we would all join at church, and as a religious education class with the older students, we would meet there, and Father Tom would go through each station. Unfortunately, that's not the case this year. But although I can't give you guidance through each station this year, I would like for you guys to either do this with a parent or you could do it through the video. So here are your two options. Your first option would be if your parents were to go onto the website that I have listed on Google, on the Google Classroom, Stations of the Cross for Children. So what you would do is with mom and dad, you would sit down and you would read the first station of the cross, right? The first one would say, Jesus is condemned to death. And it gives you a brief explanation of what is happening during that station. So during this station, Jesus was accused of many crimes he didn't commit. He didn't defend himself. He knew he needed to die for our sins. So then you would pray with your parent the next prayer. Jesus, I often get defensive when I know I did something wrong. Help me be honest. I also don't want to be a tattletale or accuse others of doing wrong. So you would go on through each station. There are 14 stations, so it's going to take a while, but you need to know your stations of the cross. And you won't learn them all this year, right? Every year we explore the Stations of the Cross together as a religious education family. So you have time, but since this is the first year that you are exploring it, I would like for you to explore it with either a parent, if you decide to do the Stations of the Cross in this website that are catered more towards your age group. I also gave you guys the option of watching a video, like the videos that I usually post up. So what I would like you to do is on slide 3, I have the video, right? And you're just going to press play, which is the next slide. On this slide, you're going to see that it says, watch the video and reflect on how Jesus died for us on the cross. Every time that there is a station, at the beginning of the station, there's a group of students who introduce the station and give you a little overview of what that station would be about. Then they would say, or one of the girls actually says, we adore you, O God, and we bless you. And then you would reply, because by your holy cross you have redeemed the world. All right, and that's going to happen for 14 stations. There are 14 stations, so we need to pray for 14 stations. I know it's a little difficult for you guys to understand at such a young age everything that is going on. I'm not there, and I can't answer all your questions, but mom, dad, grandma, an older brother or sister can answer the questions for you. And if you have any questions that you would like to ask me, you could always email me, or I'll post up a Flipgrid if you have any questions where I could answer those for you. Okay, so just relax, sit down, and reflect about Jesus' love for us on that cross. Even when he was there suffering and he knew he was going to die, he still showed his love to us. So go ahead, pick one of the two. And if your parents are not feeling comfortable with any of this, you could do anything else, okay? Just look for a coloring page of Stations of the Cross. You can do that for this week. All right, enjoy, guys.